I have something special to give away in this video, which is this Parasite review template. So all you got to do with this template, well, this ChatGPT, is just paste in existing content and it'll rewrite it and optimize it to basically convert and to be a bit more SEO friendly. So that's the plan, adding more keywords, more best effects for why headings, and try and get more traffic, but more importantly, try and convert and then rewrite a whole article, which saves you a hell of a lot of time when you are doing this copy. So it's based on this Parasite SEO article, which is a product review template. So check this out. This goes into it in more detail. So if ChatGPT does hallucinate, you'll actually have the information here of how to actually structure the article properly. So there's a full article there. Check it out. But what we want to do with SEO and generally any marketing is always reverse engineer what's working. So what I'm going to do is just go to Outlook India and then go to their Parasite subfolder, which is Outlook Spotlight. And all these posts have actually been de-indexed now. So hopefully I'm not going to ruin anyone's strategy by showing people this. This is why I actually picked this site, because I didn't want to oust anyone online. What I've done is just clicked on this article here. And let me just copy that again and just show you from the start. So this is the full article. It's really well written. There's a hell of a lot of content there. So we've got a good keyword here, quite long. It's going after New Zealand casinos online. So we got a nice intro, some links, and then we've got the top 10 with bullet point lists. This is very important because when you are posting on a Parasite, like an Advertorial like this, generally because they're so high authority, they rank for a lot of keywords, but generally they win the featured snippet all the time. So you always want to include a heading like this with a list, because listicles always appear as the featured snippet when it's this sort of article. So that's a little hack to basically get at the top every time, or most of the times. What they've done, which is quite unique, is actually used a domain and just redirected the link, as you can see in the bottom left of the screen there, if I'm not in the way. So it just goes to this Kiwi page, and then this Kiwi page is actually run by this Linkly. So instead of the redirect URL for each subfolder, each page, it's the home page is actually based on this. So it's actually a service which is redirecting all the links, and it just makes it a lot easier for tracking. And a lot of people are going to click on Kiwi Fortune, and they're not really going to click on like bit.ly or short.io because it's just a random short link. It's trusted and improves conversion. So I've gone over this in the Reddit little blog post and little video course, which I've done recently. And I did the exact same thing. You kind of want your own domain and just redirect. If you're using WordPress, you can use Pretty Links and Better Links. Pretty sure that's what they're called. I'm using Better Links right now. But it does a similar sort of thing. So you can just spend, $10 for a domain, which looks quite good, and then just redirect it to all the posts you want to do. So it's probably the best way, which I've found, to increase click-through rates and basically have control of your links as well, which is important. Right, so we have copied the entire article. What we're going to do now is go back to this ChatGPT, paste it in, and see what the results are. So I had to redo the template quickly. I just put it through the strawberry model and reprompted it because it missed one important section. But now it's all good, it's all optimized. So I'm just going to paste the article in again and check the output and go through it with you guys now. Okay, so here we go. So as you can see, it has changed the article a little bit, the title. So it's put the current year in. We've still got a similar sort of title. My internet's really slow, so the intro's taking forever. So I'm going to skip this section now. Okay, so it's sped up a little bit. So the prompt is a little bit better now. So obviously this isn't a bulletproof strategy. You don't want to plagiarize content either. So you do want to be checking these products, and you do want to be checking for errors, going over it and re-editing these. But it just saves a lot of work, and it tries to optimize it as best as it can, which does a pretty good job. So the intro is fairly good. It has this line here with the products right there saying this is the best, so pick it. So what I would do is bold this entire line, add the affiliate link in there, and then that's good to go. We've got the list of products here, which is good for the featured snippet, which I covered before. And then we got the review. So it added a description in there, so I would remove that. But everything else looks good. It's got the pricing, the little bit about the product, about the service here, and pros and cons, which is great. And it goes through all of these. And it's also got the segmentation, as you might notice. So this is best for cryptocurrency players, and it has one for each of these. If we scroll down a little bit, so this is what the ChatGPT couldn't do so well. So in the product review template, I say include an extra heading here. So basically try and optimize for more best X for Y keywords. it's not done the best job. The segmentation's actually pretty bang on. It's good, with a good job with that. But this, it's not done the best for this product. For the other ones, it probably is going to do a lot better. But as you can see, it just includes the best X for Y, and that just goes above like a free product section. So you can change this around, but that's a nice little addition you can add in and come up with keywords yourself, which is probably what you want to do. But this prompt will hopefully come up with better ideas for you when doing it. Then we scroll down, and then this is the conclusion. So it's actually missed the heading here. So it should include the heading. So hopefully the next few tries it will. But it's a pretty good post rewritten, to be fair. So this is just obviously speed things up. You want to go over this, check the products are actually working for affiliates, so if you can sign up for them, and check if it's accurate information, and still go over and human edit it afterwards. So this is just to speed things up. And I'll include the link for this ChatGPT in the description along with the product review. And then if you have any questions, just let me know and I will get back to you. Cheers, guys.